In this video, I'm sharing with you how to make simple computer games very fast, within seconds, and free by building a custom GPT, or better to say, an AI assistant. Look at these simple but fantastic games. We use 3.5 version, but as you know, you have access to 4.0 version as well that you can use it. Click here on the left, explore GPTs. In case if you don't know what is GPT, they are chatbots specialized for a specific tasks. Like Weed, specialized for video scripting, Math Solver is your math teacher, and Image Generator GPT. We are going to make our own GPT together. Click on Create. What would you like to make? The answer is very important to customize your own GPT. I like to build a GPT that makes simple computer games using only Python. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment if you like the content. Otherwise, I will take your favorite pet. Now, GPT Builder says, I suggest we name this GPT Python Game Maker. Nice. Generating profile picture. Do you like to change? Nice. What should be emphasized or avoided in the game creation process? This is super important in customization of your GPT. You need to have a little experience what to write here. The GPT should only use Python to build the game's codes. It should include simple games, and the user needs to only copy the codes and paste in Visual Studio Code. I will describe this in a moment. The code should not include complex scripts that need other resources or images. It should avoid any other tasks except developing simple games. How do you want me to interact with you? Do you prefer brief or detailed explanations? Be formal. I prefer brief responses. But the codes should be complete and simple. I'm emphasizing, otherwise it will not be that productive and you might get lost in the long chats. Anything else? No. If you click on Configure, you see all info we gave are categorized here. The most important section is Instructions that will customize your GPT. In Knowledge section, you can upload your files. For simplicity, let's skip this. In Capabilities, mark Code Interpreter and Data Analysis as well to run the code and analyze data by GPT. Click Create. Now you can share your GPT with others or putting it in OpenAI GPT Store. Only me. Save. View GPT. Python Game Maker is ready. And productive. That's the point. List at least 10 simple games that you can make. As an example, let's copy a snake game and paste it in chatbot. Python codes are written now very fast with useful instructions as well. Before we continue, 3 tasks need to be done by you. Be sure you have Python installed on your system. Otherwise, it's very easy to download and install. And be sure you have Visual Studio Code installed as well. It's a free code editor to make everything simple. And you need to install pygame on your system. Just copy this, go to your Windows search box, write CMD, command prompt will be opened, copy and paste. Already I had it. For you, it might take seconds. Now let's copy the code from GPT and paste it in VS Code. New file, Python file, and paste the code. Save it and have a name like snaketoday.py. Now you can run the code. And boom! A snake game is ready. By arrows, you can move it. Take the food and become bigger. Let's make another game, Breakout. Copy the code, paste and run. But my friend is not happy. He says it's really fast. Come back to GPT. The game is very fast. Please update the code. Awesome. Anytime from here, you can edit your GPT. One important option that I skipped is create new action. Here you can use API to make advanced computer games that I will talk about this later. Don't forget like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.